Well, I just wanted to give you an update. I was going to start the project that I was coming up with the 24-inch armature from Sculpture Depot, the True Form armature. I was going to start this week. They shipped it out today, so I didn't know whether I was going to get it this week or not anyway. But I just got a call from a gallery in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Mountain Trails Gallery. They want me to design a cowgirl piece for a client, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'll probably start on that the next day or two. Um, I've got to do some research right now. They want me to do a similar, not the same, as a piece I did back, 20 or more years ago, called Sassy. I'll put some pictures of it here. It was of a cowgirl. It was really successful. We nearly sold the whole edition out. Um, there was a women's organization that bought a copy of it to award somebody with back probably 15 years ago. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm researching for that, and I'm going to have to put the other project on a back burner. I'm not going to talk about it yet because I'm not really sure I'm going to do it yet. But it was an idea that's been suggested by several people, and I'll fill you in more on that once I get ready to get back on that one. All right, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Oh, by the way, my operation isn't until April now, the middle of April, so I'm good there. I got about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bronzes coming out at the foundry. And I've got to be on the balls to make sure I check on those when they get colored and pick them up and stuff like that. So I had them delay my operation until April. All right, everybody. Have a great night, and I'll see you probably in the next day or two. Good night.